everyone, welcome back to Thornton 100, and today we've got a different bike in the workshop. Now this is one of my best friends' bobbers, and it's a 2018 Bobber Black. We went and picked this up for him around a year or so ago, and we've slightly modified it. As you can see, there's a couple of bits such as the exhaust, and there's also some prototype Thornton 100 components that we had lying around that actually never made the cut for the production bikes as well. So keep an eye out for those, guys. We're going to be doing a full transformation on this build from start to finish into a wide wheel bobber as well. So sit back, enjoy the build, and I'll catch up with you when we're all done. One I made earlier. I didn't really make it.
No way, bro. That was so magic.
Lightweight. I love the just nip it up button on this. What do you reckon Christian Horner's been doing, Evan? Impact driver. I didn't know we had one of these. Very useful. Thank you very much, Mac. And we'll probably never even need, but we've got it just in case. And they're sick.
Maybe we should start getting Jody quotes. Like,
put me on a t-shirt. Put that on a shirt! What's that from? Gatorade.
Gatorade.
right.
I'm learning that about the type of YouTube videos that I like, and I was watching a video yesterday, really fun and really informative. Watch out, tank coming through. And I ain't talking about a tall fuel tank.
Nanya what?
Nanya business.
Can you just keep...
What's that
mean?
Say it again?
Everyone's just got different names nowadays. They're all called different things. I struggle keeping up.
No, right.
Right, this is sick. Look, sealed head. The Wall Automotive. Right, that's going the wrong way.
That was almost a perfect advertisement. Almost.
There's the Walt limit. They all want to buy a factory short stock. DM us because we may still have it. Right. Well, if it ain't right, it's wrong.
Can you put that on there?
Dunno.
It's wrong.
Right. Can't be that wrong. Wonky. Show me.
I need to be over by about that much by eye.
Oh yeah, and it's wonky.
Oh yeah, I noticed that.
Keep putting it on.
Who'd you say?
I don't know.
I think it was Ryan.
I think.
I'm the chief.
For me.
Yeah. So you can make whatever.
Pretty much, yeah.
Well, that sounds way better.
It's heat transfer. The only thing I would say,
like a t-shirt that says, I don't know, Charlie's Bike Build 2024. then maybe that would be it. My time between going to the gym between 8 p.m. and around 9 p.m. when I'm normally eating, I could definitely print some t-shirts. He's not that much of a good friend for me to give him a titanium stem.
But this is Make-A-Wish, man.
Oh yeah, it's Make-A-Wish. He's pretty good, but unfortunately due to budgetary constraints, we're gonna have to reuse his old stem. So that just get pressed out like this. Ow, man. We have some goggles on. Oh yeah, that's a great caliber bowl. Oh my god! Here is a headlight grill that I broke earlier, Charlie. I didn't break it, actually Evan broke it. Sick.
Almost.
I glued it back together, and because it's you, Charlie, I'm going to give it to you for free. Because it's broken. But to be honest with you, I don't think I'm going to get it on the back.
Go on, break it again.
Look. Do you know what? We could try and fix it with a thing. Let's have a look. I've just had an idea.
What was that, Jody?
Did you have your safety squint on?
Nah, don't click that. Anyway, look, I've glued it.
Go on, show us.
Obviously, this would never happen with a customer.
Say that one more time.
This would obviously never happen with a customer.
With a what? Customer's bike.
Yeah, of course not. Yeah. I think this one's like a defective part. Like it just doesn't want to.
Oh yeah, I remember, yeah.
Bro, you can't film me doing this. Relax.
Yeah, I got you, Charlie.
Evan's got you.
Do you want to just show us where the tools live? Quickly.
Oh, well, you put them on here. And then after about 20 minutes, they make their way back in here.
What's this? What are they in?
This is my custom built Mac Tools Maximizer. Look at this. We actually designed these tools to sit in here. The way that the dash actually worked on the RR. So I don't think you can find some footage of that. The dash actually looks like that. That was a red tank. And people say, oh, you wasted all this space. But we have so many drawers with so many tools. We've actually got, to be honest with you, most of this is empty. And we've got so much space for tools. It's the best toolbox I've ever had. Charlie, just thought I'd send you a photo of your bike, mate. Really happy with what it looks like, and yeah, can't wait for you to see it. But yeah, I really hope you like it, mate. I'll catch you soon.
I think you'll like that one, man.
Your bike, mate. Really happy with what it looks like, and yeah, can't wait for you to see it. But yeah, really hope you like it, mate.
Wait, where are you?
Sick. Insane.
You like it?
Mate, it is fucking mad.
Looks sick, doesn't it? Compared to what it was when we picked it up, so it's way better.
11 months later.
11 months.
So-
No, say it.
That's when we got it.
Yeah, it's coming. It's going to be good for road trips, finally. Representing Thornton 100 properly.
You need to know the temperature when you're outside.
I've never even seen these in the catalogue book. Right, guys, so there you have it. Charlie absolutely loves the bike and yeah, ready for some adventures in the summer. So yeah, really happy with what this bike turned out like as well. These carbon wheels have such a massive performance benefit, and you can get a hold of the carbon wide wheel kits on our web shop. There's a link in the description below. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. Like this video and tell me what you think about Charlie's build and what you think about these old components that we fitted on the bike as well. And we'll catch you in the next one.
Go, bro.
Just the tall fairy putting things back.
The tool fairy, man.
Yeah, this is the part Jody doesn't see.